do a great job of explaining what these are. Nobody does.
Yeah.
That's your job. I'll wait on this. We gotta drive a couple posts in, and then we're gonna stack those 6x6s and railroad ties, kind of build it up this high, and then we'll take some of that excess dirt and backfill so we have a little bit better backstop. What's going on with that mess down there? Yeah, it's work day, man. Okay. We're just not taking pictures. This is for a purpose. Knock that tree over. Push it out there a little further. That ought to do it. I think you got it. Bring it. 8 foot would be convenient. That way I ain't got to cut nothing. Look at that. I actually measure it. Anybody bring a level? I'm doing something wrong. Does that look level? Wow. Now you're just showing off. Oh. Oh. Disappointing.